Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm going to start Vedic Maths series, lecture 1, syllabus. So, from this syllabus, I'm going to teach chapter 1, two simple techniques. The technique 1, subtraction from 100, 1000, and 10,000. Normally, how do we subtract a number from 100, 1000, or 10,000? This is the method. This method looks more clumsy and it takes more time than the Vedic method. Now, if you learn the Vedic method, it will be more easy to learn and more easy to calculate the numbers and do. So, let's see how the Vedic method looks. And I will explain you this Vedic method. So, the technique we use in this Vedic method is all from 9 and last from 10. This is how the Vedic method looks. This does not look clumsy and it takes very less time to calculate. Over here, we should make the last zero in the 100,000 or 10,000 which we are calculating as 10. The middle zeros as 9 and the 1 should be converted into 0. Now as we are subtracting 1000 from 864, 10 will be subtracted from 4 which is 6, 9 from 6 is 3 and 9 minus 8 is 1. So the answer is 136. This is the technique we use, and anything if you subtract from 100,000 and 10,000, you can use this technique in anything you subtract from 100,000 and 10,000. For example, I will give you another example, which is 100 minus 58. In this, the last zero will change into 10 and the middle zero will change into 9 and the 1 should be changed into 0. In every method, 100,000 or 10,000, the 1 at the first digit should be changed into 0 and the middle zeros should be changed into 9 and the last zero should be changed into 10. Now, subtract 10 minus 8, 2, 9 minus 5, 4, and 0 minus 0, 0. So the answer is 42. These are some example questions. Now you can pause the video and solve these questions. First question is 1000 minus 34. Second question is 100 minus 47. And third question is 10,000 minus 2345. Now, after you have solved the questions, you can unpause the video and see the answers. The answers are shown on the screen. These are the answers. The first question answer is 966. The answer for second question is 53. And the answer for third question is 7654. I'll explain you how. So in 1000 minus 34, the last zero should be changed to 10. And 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 3, which is a middle zero, should be changed into 9. So 9 minus 3 is 6. And this is 9. And 9 minus 0 is 9. Because this is also middle zero at second place. And now the 1 should be converted into 0, which is over here as 0. So the answer is 966. Like that only, I've solved other two questions. If you got one answer as wrong, then you can make other examples and solve them on your own. If you solve many problems like this, then you can become an expert in this and you can solve these types of questions in seconds. Stay tuned for the series. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.